Hey guys, how's it going? I'm gonna do a video on my thoughts on Namaste, what's going on with Namaste, what I think is going on at Namaste Technologies. This is a video about what I think is going on. So Namaste came out with a piece of news. It shot the stock up 6 cents. I mean, I guess that the high it was like 8 cents, and then pulled back for and closed off at 6 cents gain for the day. The news was Sean announces new role at Namaste Technology. I am pleased to announce that Namaste Technology and I were able to put aside our differences in order to achieve an agreement that both parties believe is in the best interest of the company's stakeholders. The last few weeks have been challenging for me personally and professionally, and the terms of the agreement will allow me to continue to work at the company as a senior advisor role. During my advisor period, I will focus on providing resources and skills that will contribute to the future success of the company and its new management team. We have dedicated years of hard work and energy building Namaste alongside co-founder Corey Zeliskin. I am proud that we have achieved, and I'm looking forward to continue my affiliation of the company and working within the industry. I believe that 2019 is an exciting year for Namaste, and I would like to sincerely thank all shareholders and employees for their continued support, for believing in the vision of the company. So basically, he's saying that he's no longer suing Namaste. He's giving up his CEO position. Where the hell is Corey? Wasn't Corey supposed to be the CFO? Now Corey hasn't said anything. There's no news for Corey. The company is still valued at $347 billion. I don't think they deserve that market cap. I'll be honest, I don't. I think the stock should be worth a lot less. There's a lot of problems in the company. I checked on the SEDAR. The last earnings report was October 30th, 2018. Now they will be having, their next earnings is coming up very, very soon. I have it loaded up here for you guys. See if I can zoom in. So this is for the ending of August 31st, 2018. So the next earnings report will be for September, October, November. So right now, as of 3 months ending August 31st, they generated a total of $3.9 million and a total net loss of $8.7 million, diluting the stock 0.03 cents. I honestly think that there's like a problem with the revenue. First of all, the cost of goods is not that good. I mean, they make $4 million, but the cost of good was $3 million, giving them a gross profit of less than 25%. And then they have huge operational expenses, and they're clearly not generating enough money. I mean, yeah, they're in a growth phase, and then the next earnings report should report the medical patients, at least 1 month of medical patients, because I believe, I could be wrong, they got the sales license early October. I could totally be wrong. I should have searched this up. So this should include the medical sales patients. I don't think that's gonna increase their revenue very much. I think that whole medical patient thing was overhyped. I could be totally wrong. The gross margin is still probably gonna be not as good because they have to buy product from licensed producers and then resell those products at a higher margin to their medical patients. With the rec market just around the corner, why would people go on Namaste and order when they can go on the the recreational online store and order a range of products from different licensed producers versus having ordered just from Namaste, where they have to try to look around for supply. I don't really like I really don't like the medical patient model. I mean, the reason why I invested into Sean in the first place is because he sounds passionate. He sounds like he was going to grow the company. He says he's going to do whatever he can to grow the company. I wanted to believe in it because, you know, I kind of wanted to do a similar thing. I kind of wanted to build a company from ground up, make it into a big company, you know, similar to what Namaste did. That's why I really backed it, because of the passion that Sean did. I watched Sean's all the YouTube videos on Sean before they even became big, when their stock was 20 cents, 25 cents. I rewatched all the old videos. He sounded like he was very passionate. I trusted in that passion. Now he's just kind of giving up and just doing something else and just leaving the company totally alone. I think the company is going to get sold off eventually. The asset's going to be broken down. It's going to get sold off to, I don't know, some licensed producers that want their medical patients and the ability to sell vaporizers. And maybe the artificial intelligence that they have in the company, the data and the I don't know. So that's what I think. I honestly believe that the stock price doesn't deserve to be $347 million. I think it should be worth a lot less. It's just my opinion. So, yeah. So, that's my opinion. I guess it is kind of not very positive, but there is something funny going on with Namaste. I don't trust it. I don't plan to buy any Namaste at this price. If it goes down further, I may do a gamble on it just for fun. But, you know, just in case the company gets sold off. I don't think the company will ever get sold off at $347 million. I don't think anyone would pay $347 million, even in stock, to buy Namaste Technologies, to increase their revenue by $5 million, but then decrease their gross profit by a huge amount of money, because Namaste is not very profitable, at least in gross profit, and they have huge amount of expenses, which newly needs to be worked on. Yeah, so that's it for my thing. I guess Sean is gonna be living a relaxed life now. He's gonna just hang out with his family, you know, live off his Namaste stock, because he has 20 million shares, right? So technically, if he sold 20 million shares at $1 a stock, $1 a share, that is $20 million. You can live off a few $1 million. You don't need $10 million, $20 million to live off of. So now Sean could, he could hold on his stock. Maybe he believes in the company. It's kind of hard to believe in something that you don't control or run anymore. I don't think many has the kind of passion Sean has. I could be wrong. I mean, he does sound like a very smart person, smart individual. We'll see how Namaste develops over the, I guess, coming quarters, coming year. You know, let's see how exciting this company is. So, anyways, that's enough of that. So this is about 3 minutes after the market close. The stock is not down. It's broke even. Canopy is also not really doing any much. Kron is down 1 cent. Afria also down 3 cents. 8 cents after hours. Tilray, where's Tilray at? They're up 2 cents. Tilray is actually very, very stable right now, which is kind of shocking. Thinking that it was gonna dip, but I don't know. It's not doing it. Volume, it seems to be weakening big time, but it seems like it's doing fine. The company. I mean, the stock price is kind of stabilizing. Doesn't want to seem to move anywhere between $75 to 79-ish dollars, $78. So I think that it will have to eventually move. It can't stabilize here forever. It could stay here for another couple months, but I don't think so. I think eventually it's gonna either break up or break down. They have to come up with the financials eventually, and if it's very good and very positive, the stock could skyrocket. We'll see where things go in the future for Tilray. I have actually never ran across any Tilray products. I live in Alberta. I go to the cannabis store every week. I search on new products. I've never seen a Tilray product on store shelf ever before, because I would love to try some Tilray. Aurora in the Canadian market. The volume is definitely starting to die off. It's getting extremely weak right now, and the stock price is pulling back. Hypothetically, it should eventually have a pop. Hopefully. It could just keep declining, and never pop. Who knows? I think when I bought the 5,000 shares, I think I made a mistake. I should have put in less. 5,000 was quite a bit, but hey, whatever. I could always buy more. Maybe this is the reason why the stock's going out, because I bought some stock, and then the market makers, or the money movers, the people that move the stock, it's like, oh, Kevin bought. Okay, time to pull back, time to sell your stocks. Like, I'm just I'm just being a weirdo, I guess. But it's pulling back. It is a cause of concern. I don't know if this stock is gonna suddenly rally back and make a new leg high. I would rather see keep going down, because I would like to buy back in. Canopy's volume is also starting to die off too. They had the impressive earnings. The stock popped, and then people realized over the weekend that nobody really wants to buy it at $64. So the stock dropped. And I don't know if it's going to continue to keep dropping or it's going to keep moving up. I think that this stock's going to drop below $60 very, very soon here. We'll see where things go though. CanTrust is the one company that is not falling with the rest of the market. It's actually rising. I think they're getting listed on the New York Stock Exchange. I think eventually it's gonna fall. I'm really curious on the earnings. The earnings should be coming up here very, very soon. Hopefully sometime this week. Hopefully it's sometime this week, or maybe sometime next month. But I'm very interested in CanTrust earnings. They are considered one of the bigger players. I've tried most of their products. It's okay. It's better than Afria product, but I don't know. I haven't really ran across a strain that I really like on CanTrust yet. I have tried multiple products on CanTrust. I think it's not bad, but there are better products out there. T-God, another company product I would love to try if they ever get into Alberta. They do organic cannabis. I don't know if organic is just a fad. Like, is it good? Is it healthier to smoke organic cannabis, or is it just a branding? It's organic, buy it. I have no idea. But I still would love to try the product. The stock has been pulling back. In the first place, I don't even know why the stock rose so much in the first place. It was trading at $3.18. Suddenly it popped, and now it's pulling back. I think it might continue to pull back. We'll see though. But I think T-God will probably slowly pull back. But we'll see. Oh, I don't know why I have this up, but the US and Canadian is $1.32. I'm hoping this Canadian to US goes up. I'm hoping the US dollar strengthen over the Canadian so I can exchange my US dollars. I've been waiting for a while. Maybe I should just do it at $1.32 and screw it. I'm still thinking about it. I might do it tomorrow. But and I'm gonna end it off of this. I did not buy any stocks today. I was just busy watching The Flash, and I watched the stock market. I didn't really see any too much good deals, but hopefully tomorrow there will be some good deals if the market really tanks. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And have a great day. Bye.